Sam and Brian and the Fleming roofing team. This is Haley from Toriar Digital Marketing. Thank you for letting us send you this quick video. I'm making this video to give you 3 tips on how to use Google's language on your website so you guys can start appearing at the top of more customer search results so you guys can get more business. Our owner, Brianna, used to own her own roofing company out in Alaska, so we're familiar with the struggles contractors go through, and we're understanding that when you're a business owner, you don't necessarily have the time to sit in front of the computer and make the internet work for you. And we found out that the biggest reason people don't hire a marketing company to do it for them is because you don't know who to trust. You don't know who's going to be a waste of time and money or who's going to be an expert. So we believe in giving our value up front. And if after this video you believe that we know our stuff and you can see we can bring value to you, give us a call and we'll go ahead and have a chat. If we are actually so confident in our ability to deliver results, we're only taking on one client in any service area because we don't want to compete with the results that we're bringing. So if you want to just use this information to make changes for yourself, please do. It's free education. So the tips I have for you are content, citations, and backlinks. So I'm on your homepage here. It's really pretty homepage. I love the picture. And you guys have a click to call. And I noticed that you guys have a form to fill out, free estimate form. I would make a suggestion and maybe put it up closer to the top, just to get people filling that form out so they don't have to scroll to the bottom. But the appearance of the site is for the customers. Google's not ranking you on looks, they're ranking you on content. So it's recommended to have 1,500 words on this homepage and 500 words on each back service page. Google is using bots called crawlers to scan your site for keywords that they can rank you for in the customer search results. When you have your website built this way with the 1,500, 500 rule, and for every keyword you're targeting, you want to use 100 words of content to support it. When you have your website built that way, it shows Google you're an expert in your industry and they want to put you at the top of more search results. So I have an example of what you guys might be getting searched for. Roofers, Huntsville, Alabama, AL. So that's what I put into the search, and I got right here at the top here is a map pack, which customers are going to see first and they're going to most likely call. So I see you guys right here, Fleming, but you don't show up as the first 3 in the map pack. It's also called Google My Business or GMB. They are geographically based, so if you have more than one service area, and I noticed that you do serve Huntsville and Birmingham, so you want to get your information on the Birmingham site or the listing as well. So once you get that, you can put your contact information, photos, and website listed, and then you'll want to get your contact information into citations. These are online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, BBB. There are thousands of them, but the goal is to have your information on at least 100 more directories than your competitors to start ranking in the top 3 in the map pack, which is where the customers are going to call the most. Down here is the organic search results. So the top 3, Google rotates in a little Google dance for the top 3, and then everybody else going on to this page and then on to the next page. So your top competitor looks like it's going to be C and K, and they're all the way down here. So there's a lot of room for somebody else to come in and get higher ranked. So K and C is right here, and they're also in the map pack. Wanted to point that out. They're getting seen, they're getting searched. So we can take a look at their site. I don't think they have 1,500 words on their site, on their homepage, and I don't even see a form. Yep, there it is. Okay. What we can also look at is Ahrefs. This is a paid tool that we use to look at the back end of your website, the behind the scenes, if you will. And this is showing us the ranking of your site compared to every other site on the internet. So these are rankings for your homepage and your entire site out of 0 to 100. So this is a 23 for your homepage and an 8 out of 100 for your entire site. And Google ranks these by using backlinks. Backlinks are another site online linking to your site, pushing traffic to you. Because Google uses those for rankings, not all backlinks are created equal. So before you link to a site, you want to make sure it's high ranking and relevant to the roofing industry. Some backlinks can actually hurt you. So you have 122 coming from 33 different sites, which is ranking you for 95 keywords, giving you 84 traffic a month, which is pretty good. There's room for improvement though, because we can look K&C Roofing, and they have a stronger site with a 29 and an 8 for their entire, I mean, pretty similar on your entire site, but they have 1,300 backlinks coming from 171 sites, and 600 keywords, which is giving them 460 traffic a month. And these people are getting searched in your area. So this is the Huntsville area. They are getting 460 traffic a month. And if even under half of those people, so 200 people are paying customers, that's 20, that's 200 roof opportunities a month. So we just wanted to show you that the searching is there, and we're going to get you guys in front of the customers so that you guys appear at the top of the search results. So let's recap. 1,500 words on this homepage, 500 words on each back service page, at least 100 words per keyword that you're trying to support, that you're trying to get ranked for. If you want to get into another Google My Business, let's get you into Huntsville and Birmingham, because those are the two areas that you were serving, Huntsville and Birmingham. Let's get you in the top of both of these in the map pack. Get your contact information into at least 100 more directories than your competitors, and then go get high quality, high ranking backlinks, which are relevant to the roofing industry. And if you take this advice and apply it, you are going to be ranking #1 across Google for this area. So I know that was a lot of information, but if you apply it, you're going to love the results. My team is looking for feedback to know if we delivered good value in this video. If you did want help getting this done, and you're interested in being our exclusive client for the North Alabama area, please give us a call. We can have a chat and make sure we're a good fit. And we'll get your phone ringing off the hook with customers or even employees if you want to work on growing your crew. We will follow up in the next couple days to get feedback on the video. And I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch it and letting us send it to you. We hope you got good value out of it. All right, thanks so much. Take care. Have a good day.